Hello everyone. In this worksheet, the topic is fruits and over here it is identify fruits. Tick your favorite fruits and say why do you like it. So over here there are different fruits which are given: mango, banana, apple, orange, watermelon, guava, grapes and strawberry. So over here the child has to tick mark their favorite fruit and then they have to say why they like the same. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को अपना फेवरेट फ्रूट जो है वो टिक मार्क करना है और उनको बोलना है उनको वो फ्रूट क्यों पसंद है. थैंक यू. Hello everyone. In this worksheet, the topic is recognize the fruits. Read and rewrite the words. So over here, the name of fruits are given. So the child has to read them and then rewrite the words. So first one is guava. So then they have to rewrite it in the box given below. Mango, banana, watermelon, pear, orange, apple, grapes, and the last one is strawberry. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को दिए गए फ्रूट्स के जो नाम है उनको रीड करना है और फिर नीचे दिए गए बॉक्स में उनको लिख के ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है. थैंक यू. Hello everyone. In this worksheet, the topic is identify fruits by seeds. Tick the fruits with one seed. Read and rewrite the words. So over here the child has to put a tick mark on the fruit with one seed. So over here mango and cherries are the fruits with one seed. After that the child has to read the fruits name over here that are given over here and then rewrite the same in the boxes given below. So the first one is mango. After that grapes, then banana and then cherries. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को दिए गए फ्रूट्स के जो नाम है वो रीड करने हैं और फिर उनको नीचे दिए गए बॉक्स में लिखना है. बच्चों को वो फ्रूट्स भी आइडेंटिफाई करना है जिसमें एक ही सीड होता है और उसको टिक मार्क भी करना है और ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है. थैंक यू. Hello everyone. In this worksheet, the topic is identify fruits by seeds. Tick the fruits with many seed. So over here, the child has to tick the fruits with many seed. So the first one is guava, then watermelon and then strawberry. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को वही फ्रूट्स को टिक मार्क करना है जिसमें बहुत सारे सीड होते हैं और ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है. थैंक यू. Hello everyone. In this worksheet, the topic is uses of fruits. Tick the things that are made from fruits. Read and rewrite the words. So over here, the child has to tick mark the things that are made from fruits. So first one is jam, juice and jelly. These three things are made from fruits. After that, the child has to read and rewrite the words. So over here, the child has to read the given words and rewrite them in the given box. So first is jam, then juice, after that jelly and the last one is tea. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को दिए गए जो ऑब्जेक्ट्स है, दी गई जो चीज है उसमें से फ्रूट्स में से कौन से बनते हैं उसको टिक मार्क करना है और उसके बाद यहाँ पे दिए गए वर्ड्स को रीड करके नीचे बॉक्स में लिख के उसको कंप्लीट करना है. थैंक यू. Hello everyone. In this worksheet, the topic is uses of fruits. Circle your favorite things made with fruits. So here there are lot many things which are given, which are made with fruits. So the child has to circle their favorite things. So they can select one or more than one over here that are made with fruits. You can emphasize them on thinking, and also you can ask them why they like that particular thing. So that increases their reasoning skills as well. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को उनकी फेवरेट चीज जो है जो फ्रूट से बनती है उसको सर्कल करके ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है. थैंक यू. Hello everyone. In this worksheet, the topic is identify leafy vegetables. Tick the leafy vegetables. So over here, the child has to put a tick mark under the leafy vegetables. So fenugreek, spinach and cabbage, these three are leafy vegetables. Also emphasize the child on reading out the rest of the vegetables. So sweet potato, cucumber, पोटैटो एंड कैरेट. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को लीफी वेजिटेबल्स के अंडर टिक मार्क करना है और ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है. और प्लीज एम्फसाइज करिए कि बच्चे यहाँ पे दिए गए सारे वेजिटेबल्स के नाम पढ़ रहे हैं और इफ पॉसिबल आप उनको वेजिटेबल्स दिखा भी सकते हैं ताकि उनको याद रहे. थैंक यू. हेलो एवरीवन. In this worksheet, the topic is identify underground vegetables. Tick the underground vegetables, read and rewrite the words. So over here, the child has to put a tick mark on the underground vegetables. So over here, potato, onion and carrot are the underground vegetables. So then the child has to read and rewrite all the words. So first one is potato. After that, brinjal. Next is onion. After that, carrot. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को जो अंडरग्राउंड वेजिटेबल्स है उसके बाजू में टिक मार्क करना है और उसके बाद सारे वर्ड्स को यहाँ पे रीड करके नीचे दिए गए बॉक्स में लिख के ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है. बच्चों को अपनी पेज पे ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करने देना है. थैंक यू. Hello everyone. In this worksheet, the topic is recall vegetables. Circle the vegetables that we can eat raw. So over here, the child has to circle those vegetables that we can eat raw. So first is potato, then cucumber. So cucumber we can eat raw. Then ladyfinger. After that, radish. Then we have bitter gourd. After that, onion. So onion also can be eaten raw. Next is brinjal and the last one is carrot. So carrot also can be eaten raw. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को जो वेजिटेबल्स हम रॉ फॉर्म में खा सकते हैं उनको आइडेंटिफाई करना है और सर्कल करके ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है. थैंक यू. Hello everyone. In this worksheet, the topic is recall vegetables. Over here, let's go vegelicious. Color only the vegetables. So in this worksheet, the child has to color only the vegetables. So over here, turnip is the vegetable. So the child has to color this. Then potato, pumpkin and carrot. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को सिर्फ वेजिटेबल्स को कलर करना है और ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है. मैंगो और एप्पल फ्रूट है तो बच्चे उनको कलर नहीं करेंगे. थैंक यू. हेलो एवरीवन. In this worksheet, the topic is recognize the name of fruits. Match the picture to its correct name. So over here, the first one is done for the child to refer. Banana, so they have to connect it with its correct name. After that, it's strawberry over here. Then mango over here. After that, next is grapes. Then apple. Next is orange. Then chiku. Then cherry. Then the next one is peach. Then it is muskmelon. And the last one is custard apple. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को दिए गए पिक्चर को उसके करेक्ट नाम के साथ कनेक्ट करना है और ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है. थैंक यू. Hello everyone. In this worksheet, the topic is recognize the names of vegetables. Match the picture to its correct name. So the first one is done for the child to refer. Potato is matched with its correct name. After that, it is tomato. The next one is lady's finger. After that, the next one is over here it is beetroot. Then it is over here is green peas. After that it's cauliflower. Then it is capsicum. After that onion. Next is brinjal. Next is cucumber. And the last one given over here is spinach. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को दिए गए पिक्चर को उसके करेक्ट नेम के साथ कनेक्ट करके ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है. थैंक यू. Hello everyone. In this worksheet, the topic is revise fruits and vegetables. Read the word, identify the picture, find its pairing word and complete it. So the child has to read the given word, then identify the picture as given over here and then find its pairing word and complete it. So one is done for them to refer. After that cucumber, it's here and then the pairing word is over here and then the child has to complete the word cucumber. Next is banana. So banana is here. The pairing word is here and then the child has to complete it. banana. Next is carrot. So carrot is here. Then the pairing word is here. Then carrot. After that it's potato. So potato is here. Then the pairing word is over here. potato. The last one is mango. So mango is here. And then the connecting word is here. mango. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को दिए गए इंस्ट्रक्शंस को फॉलो करके ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है. थैंक यू. Hello everyone. In this worksheet, the topic is revise fruits and vegetables. Write the names of the fruits and vegetables. Use the clue box. So the first one is apple. So here is the clue. The child has to write the correct name of the given fruits and vegetables. Next is cherry. After that, banana. Next is cabbage. After that, potato. And the last one is mango. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को दिए गए फ्रूट्स और वेजिटेबल्स के नाम लिखने हैं क्लू बॉक्स को यूज करके और ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है. थैंक यू.